In this lesson, we will demonstrate how to download and use USGS, US Topo, and historic topographic maps on a mobile device. For this demonstration, we will show the National Map Viewer mobile client, which is easily accessed from both Android and iOS devices, as well as the process of loading maps into the Avenza PDF Maps application, available on both Android and iOS platforms. The USGS offers both the most current topographic maps, called US Topo, and the historic topographic map collection for free web download. Let's start our demonstration at the National Map Viewer mobile client, the starting point for discovering and downloading USGS topographic products on your mobile device. The link for the mobile client is shown. In the mobile client, select Maps. This will bring you to the map interface, where you can either zoom to the area you'd like to retrieve a map or enter an address into the search bar. You can also have the map extent go to your current location using this icon. The map provides the capability to change the base layer using the drop-down at the bottom of the map. Once you've selected the extent for your area of interest, select Continue to Map Sets. Here, select either Historic Topographic Maps or US Topo. I'll select US Topo for this demonstration. Next, select Continue to Products. This products page will show all of the maps available for download in the extent you've selected, on multiple pages if needed. Navigate through the pages using the Previous and Next buttons. Because the US Topo map program reproduces US topos over the US every 3 years, you'll see not only the various maps listed by area, but also each of the previous years that US Topo maps have been created. You can go back in the process using the Back to Map Sets button if you'd like to narrow or expand your search. From there, you can also go back to the map interface. You can also redefine your search using the Show Filters button. Once you've found the map or maps you're interested in downloading, select Add and Continue to Cart. In the cart, click on the title of the map, which will begin the download onto your device. Once the download is complete, you can select Remove to empty your cart. On your Android device, use your File Management app to browse to the downloaded file. You'll see the downloaded zip file, which will start with GDA in the title. If you unzip this file, it can be viewed with any PDF reading application. Simply viewing the PDF file does not allow you to take advantage of the file's GeoPDF attributes, however. On your iOS device, you will also use a File Management app to browse to the downloaded file, starting with GDA, and unzip the file. Usually, this file will automatically open in a PDF reader on an iOS device. Again, simply viewing the PDF does not allow you to utilize the GeoPDF attributes. For both Android and iOS devices, Avenza's PDF Maps app is available to read GeoPDF files like the USGS, US Topo, and Historic Topo maps. Each map is delivered in PDF format with geospatial extensions. When viewed on a GPS-enabled device, like a smartphone or tablet, the geospatial extensions allow users to see their location on the product, as well as add waypoints, tracks or trails, or other features allowed by the application. While the GeoPDF is layered, with the ability to turn on or off various layers, like the ortho imagery for instance, using a common PDF reader in a desktop environment, the GeoPDF will open on a mobile device with the default layers turned on. There are not currently any GeoPDF readers in iOS or Android that allow user customization of the GeoPDF file via the PDF's various layers. The PDF Maps app from Avenza allows you to not only view the US Topo on your Android device, but also use the GPS associated with your mobile device. To load a US Topo into PDF Maps on an Android device, which was already been installed from the Google Play Store, go to your file managing software and either copy or move the US Topo file from your downloaded folder to the PDF Maps folder. Now, open the PDF Maps application and select the plus icon to add the new map to the application. Select From Device Storage and select the map, at which point PDF Maps will load the US Topo map. Once loaded, you will now be able to view the map. Select it from your available maps and navigate. To load the US Topo into PDF Maps on an iOS device, you can simply use your file management app to navigate to the PDF you've downloaded. Click and hold on the icon, select Open With, and select Open in PDF Maps on the dialog that appears. You could also load a map through the application using the plus icon here. You can use your finger to navigate around the map and pinch and zoom to zoom in or out. You can also rotate the map to a different orientation. The target icon on the upper left will turn on your GPS receiver, identifying your location on the map with a blue dot. You can also drop waypoints and use PDF Maps' other features with the US Topo. While the US Topo contains current aerial imagery for viewing, please note that hiking trails are not yet available for many states in this product, and in many cases, you may also need to get the historic map if you are looking for trail information. The process for accessing historic topographic maps is similar. Again, open the USGS mobile client in your mobile browser. Select your area of interest on the map, and continue to the map sets. Select Historic Topographic Maps, and your list of available maps will be displayed. The historic topographic maps can date back to the late 1800s and can be in a variety of scales. Select Add to any of the historic topographic maps you're interested in downloading, and select Continue to Cart. Once in the cart, click each of the file titles that you wish to download. You can then view the PDFs or load the maps into a program like Avenza's PDF Maps. In addition to downloading individual maps for use in PDF Maps, the application also offers the ability to view US topos directly from the application store. It is important to note that the maps available from the PDF Map Store may not be the most current map available for a particular area. To ensure you are getting the most recent map, you should access the mobile client and download each individually. We will demonstrate the process in the Android version of the app, though the process in the iOS version is nearly identical. To access US Topos directly from the app, go to the store by clicking the shopping cart icon. Then, select Topographic on the list that follows. Zoom to an area of interest where you will notice markers displayed on the map that represent different maps. Click on a marker to see the pop-up, which you can click again to see the map's information. And then you will have the option to install the map on your device. Any installed maps will show on your map list. A final disclaimer. Any use of trade, firm, or product names does not imply endorsement by the U.S. government. No warranty, expressed or implied, is made by the USGS or the U.S. government as to the accuracy and functioning of the commercial software programs cited in this training. And the U.S. government shall not be held liable for improper or incorrect use of the USGS national map topographic data employing these software programs. In this lesson, we demonstrated how to download US Topo and historical topographic maps on a mobile device, and how to utilize the GeoPDF content in the Avenza PDF Maps app. This concludes Lesson 6A. To continue to the next lesson, please return to the course homepage.